Hello kids, let's learn some colors name. Black color, brown color, teal color, red color, yellow color, dark blue color, pink color, green color, maroon color, violet color, blue color, orange color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D. A for arrow. B for box. C for coffee. D for dust. E for ear. F for fan. G for goat. H for hand. I for ink. J for jeep. K for kind. L for lotus. M for monkey. N for nurse. O for olive. P for pencil. Q for question. R for rose. S for sky. T for teacher. U for uniform. V for vulture. W for water. X for Xerox. Y for yak. Z for zero. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.